Hey everyone, this is my 2005 Passat 1.8 turbo GLS. I think that's the model. I have a problem here. So the car does crank, but does not start. The fuel pump was bad, so I changed that, installed that. The pump was good, but when I turn the key in, switch to the on position, it does not prime. If I use a power probe to power it up, I can hear the sound of the pump. So that's one issue here. And when I have the key in at the on position, I noticed that the power draw from the beginning is like 4 point something, then slowly drop to 3 point, slowly dropping, but still I think that's significant. So I think there's a shortage somewhere, and when I turn the key on, there's a long beep, very long beep. I can show you guys at the very end of this video, and with that I can hear kind of a short noise sound, electric shorting sound there with the beeping sound. I did pull each one of the fuse to see which one causing the significant power draw, but I pulled each one and the power draw is still there. So I really don't know what's the problem is. I hope I can get some recommendations just here. So any idea, much appreciated. And I will turn the key in and let you guys hear the beep. Hear the sound. Okay, thank you.